Hey guys, Ducky is finished. All put back together minus the door for the cover on the fender. She is done, and I love that purple.
Hey boy.
All new Rubicon plastics, yellow Rubicon plastics. Ordered from Partzilla. Got her shackle powder coated. Purple, the beadlock rings. Powder coated purple, and the wheels are still a little dirty, but they are super pretty. Just wanted to show you guys what I've been working on. I haven't been doing any riding videos or anything like that, but ooh man, dude, the mosquitoes out here are big. But yes, Ducky is complete. 2020 duck. Ready to go. Got to get a winch back on her, and her bumper. She's pushed too many people out or ran into people. This
420s that keep getting stuck in front of me.
Yeah, all the 420s that get stuck.
And a mulberry stuck in front of me all the time.
This side's got perfect clearance on it, but this left side is pushed into the black a little bit. But yeah, she's ready to ride. It looks so good. I love it. Happy with the turnout. David Hutzel is the guy that did all of our powder coating. Going to do more work for us in the future, and very happy with the color. I hope you guys can see what we see with the color and the light. Awesome.